Hello guys, today we make ginger bag like many of you asked me already. So from the ginger we collect the yeast to make other fermentation for the fruit, for the beer, for the vegetables, but I will use it for baking. I want to use this yeast to bake a loaf of bread, but we will see this in the future video. For this recipe you need a piece of ginger, 3-4 centimeter, 2-3 inch, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of water. We put all the ingredients together in glass bottle like this one. This one was too small or too old, but fortunately I bought this one. So when the balloon blow, means that the fermentation starts. So I will update you later. Ta-da! And in less than 24 hours our ginger bag is ready. You can notice from the bubbles inside the ginger that the fermentation is very active. Will stay active like this 1 week. You can store it in the fridge. So some people ask me, how can I keep going my ginger bag? I ask you why you should keep going your ginger bag when you need it. You can start again from the beginning. In 24 hours will be ready. Very easy. You can use it for ginger beer or for other kind of soda homemade. Okay guys, see you next time. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch or share the video with your friends. If you have some advice, if you are used to this kind of fermentation, please let us know down in the comment. Bye bye.